Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Let us see the demo of evaluation of hierarchical interestingness measure for mining pairwise generalized association rules. In the literature about association analysis, many interestingness measures have been proposed to assess the quality of obtained association rules in order to select small set of the most interestingness among them. In particular case of hierarchically organized items and generalized association rules connecting them, a measure that deal appropriately with the hierarchy would be advantageous. Here we present the further development of new class of such hierarchical interestingness measure and compare them with large set of conventional measures and with three hierarchical pruning methods from literature. The aim is to find the interestingness pairwise generalized association rules connecting the concept of multiple ontologies. The interested in broad empirical evaluation of interestingness measure, we compare the rules obtained by 39 methods on 3 real-world datasets against predefined ground truth set of associations. To this end, we adopted a framework of instance-based ontology matching and extend the set of performance measure by two-level measures, relation learning recall and precision, which take into account hierarchical relationship between rules. In this paper, we propose hierarchical interestingness measure as means of association rule mining for connecting multiple ontologies. Finding interestingness connections between concept of different ontologies enables the deep analysis with aim of knowledge extraction or better understanding the relationship between ontologies describing the same domain. In our project, the hierarchical pruning methods introduced in our project. The hierarchical interestingness measure find out using a priori algorithm. Our process starts with data loading and pre-processing. In pre-processing step, the garbage value should be removed. After pre-processing is done, the pruning methods is used. We are using the support count for pruning the item set, and we are using confidence value for finding the interestingness rule measure. After finding the confidence value, we are using the a priori algorithm for mining association rules. Let us run our process. This process starts with home page. First of all, we have to select the initial dataset, human dataset. The OW is extension of ontology web language. After selecting the dataset, we have to parsing the dataset. This is the class label. This is the class ID. This is the class ID of human. This is the gene ID of human. After loading the dataset, we have to display the dataset. This is the class label. This is the gene ID. This is the mouse taxonomy dataset. After loading the dataset, we have to display the class ID, class label, and the gene ID of human dataset. After displaying the gene ID, we display the association between the class ID. This is the human class ID, this is the mouse class ID. This is the reference between the human and mouse class. After displaying the reference between human and mouse taxonomy, we have to perform these pre-processing steps. After getting the class, we have to stemming the dataset. After stemming the dataset, we have to get the item set from the dataset. After perform this operation, we have to perform the item set pruning. We have to put the threshold value for item set. This is the pruned results of human taxonomy, and we have to put the threshold value for mouse dataset. After calculating the support value, we have to find out the confidence score of the human and mouse taxonomy. We have to calculate the confidence value for mouse taxonomy. After calculating the confidence score, we have to getting the list of association between the human and mouse taxonomy. This is the association between human and mouse taxonomy. After getting the association between human and mouse taxonomy, we have to getting the interestingness rule measure. This is the association between human and mouse taxonomy. After getting the association, we have to getting the interestingness measure, and we have to find out the list of rules. This is the interestingness rules. Thank you.